Hello friends, welcome to the girly thing, and today I'm here with another review video, and I have purchased these face shop sheet mask from Nykaa, and it's in an offer. You can buy 10 and get flat 50% off, or you can buy 5 and get 5 free. Actually it's the same, no so much difference in it. So guys, let's start it with the packaging. um, I have ordered 3 variant of these face masks. You can see it. Ouch. Ew. I don't like it. Okay, you can see it. The first one is Moonbeam Haricot Mungo, and it's for pores. Okay, it's for uh, reducing the pores. Okay, my second one is Blueberry Bluet. I think it's a name in Japanese or Korean something. Yeah, it's a Bluet for blueberry, and it's a firming mask. And the firming is everybody knows that firming is for wrinkles and make your skin looking really firm and all. And the third one is Riz. Riz, I think is a Korean language for rice. You can use it for that. Okay, let's see. It's for brightening. It makes your skin so bright and beautiful, according to this. And there's nothing so much added in it. Just the brightening mask with rice essence softens and brightens rough, darkened skin. Okay, only that much have written over there. So let's starting doing the review. First, here given a mark for cutting this packet. So I have teared it from here, and after that this sheet mask is available there, and you can see that how much liquid is drained out from here. What you have to do, you just have to apply these masks, and there are some holes for your eyes, for your lips, and for your nose. And you can see it look like this. And what you have to do, you just have to apply according to your skin, according to your lips, and according to your eyes and nose. Just has to stretch. You just have to stretch it a little bit, so that it's really fit on your skin, just like this. Yes. Okay, I'm looking like mommy right now, but these are the sheet mask, and it's so beneficial for skin. And if you in a hurry, and if you don't want so much mask on your skin that dries out in so many times, so you can apply it before going to party and somewhere, and it gives you instant result. I have applied it properly and so well. So guys, this is the final application of this sheet mask. And what you have to do, you just have to put it for 10 to 15 minutes according to your priority, how much you want to put it on your skin. Just have to apply it. And after that, am I looking beautiful or not? Please comment below, am I looking beautiful with these masks or not? Okay guys, first let me set it according to my lips. I think yeah, I have done it right. Actually I have applied it for first time. Okay, now just wait for 15 minutes and meet you after 15 minutes guys. Bye bye. Hello guys, it's been 12 minutes from applying this mask, and let's talk something about my videos, my channel. So I need to talk about that. You always thinking that sometime English, sometime Hindi. So learn this guys. My review videos are in English and my DIY videos are in Hindi. And if you want my hair care tips and all, then please comment it below. And I know I have to learn. I have to learn so much about these reviews. So guys, please help me and support me. Please subscribe my channel, like my channel. If you have any queries, questions, just comment it below, and I'll surely want to do that for you guys. Please subscribe my channel. And it's been I think 12 to 13 minutes. Now let's wipe off these masks. Just dab it a little bit on your skin, let liquids from your mask are absorbed in your skin, and just dab a little bit. And after that, just I have to go remove this mask from my skin. You have to learn one thing: always remove these masks in the upward direction, like this. Okay guys, now you can see there's so much liquid on my skin. Just you have to dab and absorb these liquids on your skin, and you can see that how much my skin are brightens. And I'm a huge fan of these sheet masks. You just have to absorb this liquid on your skin, that you can get all over benefits from these sheet masks. Okay guys, so it's taking too much long to absorb these, but I have to absorb this, huh? Okay guys, yes, okay, I think these are absorbed properly on my skin. So here's the total review about these face shop sheet masks, and you can order these from Nykaa. I have ordered these from there. Okay, now you can see how radiant my skin is looking, how beautiful my skin is shining. Like I have done some highlighting and all, but I have not done any highlighting and something on my skin, so you can watch it guys. Okay guys, these are total worth. Your money is going to worth on these sheet masks. You have to buy these sheet masks if you want the radiant skin. So that's all for now. Bye bye guys. Please like, share and subscribe my channel, so I can serve you better than these things. Okay, bye bye guys.